totally miss the honesty in special times, and honestly, I totally miss the fucked up breakdown. Dude, I totally miss you. I totally miss you. Dude, I totally miss you all the time.
I'll tell you if he comes out. He's inside the tent right now.
My aim is so steady I can shoot him when he comes out.
My heart's racing, dude.
That fucking grenade was not pro.
Do you think it got him though? That it has a high radius, dude. It might have got him.
It might have blew his ass up. Here, I'll make
Should
sure.
I shoot through it? Should I shoot directly in the middle?
Shoot.
You shot the Mosin.
That wasn't a
Not me.
Mosin, that's the R. That's a CR.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Sounds exactly like a Mosin.
Yeah, it sure does.
Think he's dead?
I mean,
I
it's
would say-
it's worth a check. I just fucking threw it.
Should we all rush him with AKs and stuff? Yeah, don't give him time to log out. We gotta go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go, boys. We got this, boys.
I'm just gonna pull up my gun as soon as I get over there. Fucking nade and everything. Whatever you did.
Just spray it. Just spray it.
Yeah, he's dead. He's dead.
Jail. I'm looking through the jail
I'm
window.
gonna get that network thing chip where you put on your
PCI Express.
Yeah.
Cool.
What?
Christian,
What?
your brother's mutated, my man.
Who is that with the drum mag? Who is that with the drum mag? Shh, shh.
None of us. None of us.
Okay, everybody be quiet then.
We're
I've
at.
seen somebody. He's out here my way. Come in my room, and you'll probably be able to see him. He's towards the well now. I'll be able to get a shot. Just be quiet, everybody. Be quiet. Let me keep scanning the area. He's gonna be coming around that way.
If you can't get a short shot, let him head this way, and we can kill him from the front.
Yep.
Christian, you watch the front door.
No, you're watching the
Watch.
door.
No, watch the front door.
One
I'm gonna
of you
open this room.
guys get on the damn door.
You guys in the prison?
Yeah.
Griff. Yes, yes. But there's a guy at the well. Be careful with the drum mag.
Okay, I'm gonna get him.
Yeah, there's somebody around us for sure.
Spawning him.
Just keep an eye on that door, cause nobody comes in here, and he might be coming in here. You know what I mean?
Okay, wait, I'm right near. Well, fuck.
Be careful.
Come on, lay down, lay down.
I'm watching that green gate over to the right, Tyler.
I see him.
You do?
Come on, pull out my fucking gun.
Where are you, Riff?
Oh, he's out on the wall. He's out on the wall.
Which wall?
The one where me and you.
You don't think he's seen any of us, right?
We're in the prison, Riff.
Was I very visible through this window, Chandler? Do you think he was even? He probably
Wait,
wasn't
he's
even.
out.
No, he wasn't paying attention.
He's out on. He's near those doors where he's near. He's on the prison side. He's more close to you guys.
The green
Maybe I
doors?
Guy. Yeah, he's heading to the prison.
Okay, someone else get on this front door.
You
Why?
both need to be on the door. Where at, Riff?
He's. You know where that door climb? You jump through. You're underneath it. That's where he's at right now.
He's on the wall near that building?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, the building right in front of us, dude.
Wait, right directly in front of us?
Yes.
I won't be able to get a shot from there. We can try to draw him out towards the well, I don't know. If somebody talks. Like, hey, can somebody help me out towards the well?
No, he's not that stupid. Can't. He's probably checking these barracks in front of us.
Probably is. You might open
That's
up the door.
That's where I'm at.
Shots! I hear lots of them, dude.
Yep.
Who's that?
That was one of them.
Yep,
He
was
probably just
right-
killed somebody. He probably just killed somebody. I hear lots of shots,
I
dude.
see a whole bunch of people running. I see a whole bunch of people running.
They're
Where?
shooting at me, dude. A bullet just hit, like, in my building. I think he's killing zombies,
It's
dude.
right to the right of us, dude.
I think he's killing zombies.
No, someone else just shot at you, Tyler.
I swear to God.
Yep, that's yeah. It hit.
You think
it
he's
hit.
seen me?
No, but someone else did. The other guy's to the right of our building.
Where are you, Riff?
Who's opening and closing doors?
Me, I just closed that door because I'm not going back in there if you think they saw me.
He's right outside this wall, Christian.
Yeah,
right in
there's
front
like
of us.
two
I know.
people.
He's literally right out there. Move, Christian, move.
No, Zyler, don't do that. Don't do that. We
I
can
just
wait him
shot
out.
him.
You don't think I can come over in here?
Listen,
and...
listen.
Oh,
There's
no.
2 people that were just fighting each other. One's
Okay,
dead.
then maybe he wasn't shooting
One's
at me.
dead.
I'm going around. Alright. I'm going back up there then.
Riff, where was he at? On our wall, like
Out.
right the corner of our wall?
Hold on, I got my scope. He's out. Oh, crap, I don't know.
I'm in the
I
prison. I'm in the
can't
prison.
tell.
I think he's on the corner of this wall. Christian, to the right of us.
Okay.
How would he have even got a shot off on me?
No,
I shot at him.
It was
think
Riff's
he's
gun that I heard. It was Riff shooting at that guy. It was
I
just a
don't know.
noise. His gun sounded weird. I feel like I'm gonna see him come running through this fence any second. Like, if that guy hit any shots, then this is the first one he's gonna want to run to.
God, all I hear is zombies under me.
I hear someone running to the right of our building.
All I hear is zombies. Christian, you still on that door?
Yeah.
Christian, I'll be able to tell you if someone comes up to the door, dude, so. Because I'm right in this prison room looking through the window. The gun might be sticking up though, so hopefully they don't see
He
it.
shot a lot, dude.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah,
That's the guy with the 75 round drum mag for sure.
All I hear is zombies.
Riff, what's your info, dude? Because you're the only one that has outdoor
My
info.
info,
on this.
I see one guy dead body. I don't see nobody looting it.
Stay and keep watching it. Don't loot it.
I'm far away from it. I have to pull out my Mosin to see it.
Riff, is it like on the corner of a wall?
Yeah, it's kind of like it's near like a bush.
No, I can't see a bush. The corner of the wall. Like the corner of 2 walls connecting. Yeah?
Hold on. I don't want to pull out my Mosin and then
Okay.
some guy come bum rush
Right.
me.
Right, but you know the prison door, Riff? Like, say I went out the prison door and ran through the gate and then to the right. Is
Where
that
are
where
these
it's at?
zombies at? Because that's all I hear right now.
They're on our building.
Do you hear him too, Christian?
I hear 'em.
Gotta kill him. More
Oh,
shots?
Shots.
Oh, I see the guy. He's looting him. They can
He's
pull out
looting him? Or is he finishing him?
Hold on. Might be finishing him, but I'm gonna shoot at him.
A zombie's going towards him, so I'm gonna watch this zombie.
Oh my god, my bolt's not even not even loaded.
Is he on the corner? I feel like he's on the corner of our wall
Oh,
right
he
here.
just moved.
Which way?
There's a zombie coming after him anyway, so just get ready.
So where's the zombie? Oh, he just ran right in front of our building. He just ran right in front of our building, guys. Yep, the zombies are chasing him.
What do you mean, like, is he running towards the well?
He ran through the grave, right in front, or not the grave, but
Is he running towards, like, well side?
no, he didn't pass. He's right on the other, up there. Yep,
I
he
see
just
him.
shot him. Someone just shot him. He's getting shot at.
I hear people shooting him.
Who's shooting him, Riff? Is that you?
Yup. I have to run.
You hit him, dude. If he comes back for you, I got you, man. Well, I just got a text from my mom.
He's dead. I'm
No, he's
running
not.
towards you guys.
No, he's not. I see him moving, Riff.
No,
not
he's
dead.
dead. He's
Oh, the zombie's moving. Good job, good job. Hold on, let me check out this text from my mom real quick, guys.
I'm coming through the
Rico
door.
Green?
Open the door.
Oh,
Open the door.
You guys are gonna have to kill those zombies.
I opened the fucking door. Get in here.
Kill those zombies. There's
There's
a lot
bunch
coming.
more, yeah. Riff, are you sure he's dead and not
Yes,
unconscious?
he's dead. I shot him in the head.
He had a drum mag. I don't know if any of you guys want to risk going out there and grabbing it and coming back in, but it would be
Yeah,
helpful
but
if one of
Riff,
you guys
where'd you
had it.
drop his back? I want to see if I can see his body from here. Because I saw you hit one shot on him. I saw blood come off of him. Which way did he go after you shot him, right or left?
He's out this way. He's in that direction.
Get on the door.
Is it dead?
Is there still somebody on the door?
Yeah, Chandler's watching it.
No, I'm watching it from the prison, dude. Someone can open
I
it up
got
and run
I
past.
got it.
Okay. Because, dude, I'm watching... Yeah, he came running straight through here, through that
I don't
fence
have
and
that much
out.
ammo. Hold on. I don't have any ammo in my AK anymore. Like I have 15.
What AK do you have?
AK-47.
I have a clip for you then.
But I want to loot those guys. Oh, wait. Door.
Door? I'm on the door. I can see... Well, I'm not on it, but I can see the door from here. I'll see if someone goes up the stairs. You might have heard me in this room over here.
I'm.
So we don't know where this guy is.
You gotta take a
No,
drink.
Riff killed him.
Oh.
He killed someone and then Riff killed him.
I like this little spot. I like shooting from the prison.
Yeah, the prison is a really cool place to snipe from. Be careful peeking though, because someone might still have eyes on you.
Yeah. If anyone did.
Yeah. I'm thinking it was Riff shot and it just made a pop noise and it just startled us.
I lit that guy.
I feel like we should move from this prison though, as a group,
Yeah.
Like,
and check
I
everything
don't
out.
know.
I feel like we should.
I
That's
feel like
my.
we should just stay here till...
there's there's a body right outside the door. You guys know that, right?
Right outside the door?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. I can't see. Oh, no, that's a zombie. Oh, to the right. I see it now. I didn't know it was over
Who
there.
wants to go check that other guy? We should all go together, or...
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. All right, guys, I'll go first. Ready?
Or if your character's in prone glitch.
Riff, this is where I was asking if they were on the corner of this building. Why couldn't you answer that question?
No, that's
This
where I
guy had a
didn't see
bunch
him.
of M4 stuff.
Probably searching for one.
No, like he had a lot of M4 stuff.
Maybe his dead buddy
Yes.
has one.
No, he doesn't. Sadly.
There's another dead body behind that building over there. And then here's one right here.
Checking the guy that I killed right now. Whoever's with me.
I am.
I'm still in
just
the prison, by the way.
He's
Oh, he had an
pastor.
M4. I'm just
He
kidding.
did.
No.
He had
One
a
of
drum
these
mag.
guys.
He has a drum mag. It's still pristine.
Oh, I'll take that, I guess. He had 2 drum mags.
What's in the
Hey.
ammo box?
I'm still in the
Ammunition
prison.
box.
Where are you guys at?
Scattered.
I'm gonna stay in here. Just tell me whenever you guys are coming back. We'll all regroup here, okay?
Here, who wants to come with me and kill this, get this zombie over here and then check out this guy's body over here? It looks like he's pretty geared. Someone come out in front of the prison and meet up with me.
That's
There
the
you
guy
go.
that I saw. That's the guy that I saw got shot.
Oh.
That's what I was.
Yeah, that's the
saying.
area I was describing. Like, I thought they were like right here, Riff. See this
I
wall
didn't-
right here?
didn't
I thought
see
they
it.
were right here, you know what I mean?
I'm coming out of the prison. Are any of you guys there?
Here, watch this zombie on me, Riff.
Are any of you guys outside of the prison?
I am.
I'm pretty sure chilling them
This
all.
guy has an AKM, fully geared out, fully geared AK.
Which
Riff,
guy?
you didn't cover me from that zombie, dude. I
I-
asked you to do one thing and you didn't cover me. Don't shoot it. I have my axe out now. Don't shoot it. Or shoot it. Or shoot it. Alert all the other zombies to make it 10 times more difficult.
Or
No,
all
cover
the
me while I
other
go
players?
loot this.
Should I take
Come on,
this
what
AK
if I-
wherever it is?
Yes.
Where
Well,
is
I
it?
might take it. Depends when I'm looking at the rest of his body. Dang, dude, he has so many. Oh, that one's ruined. Good job, Riff. I know
I
this
didn't
is
Alright,
bad.
where are you guys at?
Someone ruined all this guy's stuff.
Where are you guys at?
Outside, I'm coming back to prison right now. Is this guy even lootable? What'd this guy have? Oh yeah, he's lootable. What do you have?
I took his.
Oh, who's on the back
where's-
building? Who's? Jeez, it's Christian. I heard footsteps.
Get back in
Should
the
I,
prison.
did you take the M4? Not the
No,
M4.
AK,
the AK?
AKM. No, it's over here. It's on this guy's body right there.
Oh.
You guys are in the prison?
Also, shut this door.
I'm coming back into prison right now. Shut what door, Riff?
The one in up top. Who's coming through the door?
I am.
Oh yeah, shut these doors, because then people can shoot. the
Riff, did you kill this guy?
Not the one all the way down there. I killed the guy on the wall.
Yeah, he killed a different guy over there on the wall.
I was about to say, if you killed this guy, excellent shot. Whoever hit him got him right in the head.
No, I did. The guy on the wall, I shot him in the head.
Yeah, the guy on the wall Riff shot in the head. The other guy you're talking about is ruined completely. The guy with the AKM was ruined completely.
Oh, yeah, it was. I was just looking at
That wasn't me.
No, that wasn't Riff. Riff had a nice shot on the guy on the wall though. Oh, who's out front with a blue bag on? Is that you?
Hey, yeah. Does that stick out a little bit like I'm wearing blue?
Yeah, that sticks out completely. That's what I was about to spray. I didn't know you were wearing a blue. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta look at you guys because I honestly don't know even what you guys are wearing. Riff has an orange balloon on. I know that. Christian has. Okay, that's good. And Tyler, I think I know what you look like. Let me see real quick. Yeah, you're good. Okay. Everyone knows what I look like, right? I have this
Yeah.
gray
We all have
jacket.
those pink armbands on, right?
No, Riff has a. Christian has the blue one on. Christian always has to be different, dude. Here, Christian, take this.
Yeah, that's perfect, guys. When Right here in the middle of the door.
Kelly, your character's like sliding around. I just want to tell you that. Like, switch weapons or something, because
Yeah.
that one's probably the worst stance you could be in.
Yeah. I know. Like I was standing. Was I standing up?
Yeah, so if you
How
even
about
if you
now?
went in prone or something.
How about now? Oh wait, you're upstairs.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. You guys
So-
wanna make a move? Like, move along?
Want to try to get to the other prison? Like the other prison where you were, Chandler, with the Winchester? Because that'll give me better eyes, because my scope goes all the way everywhere, dude.
Yeah, on the other side of the airfield.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
let's
go.
let's wrap around through the tents and go out.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Yes.
Yeah,
we're
we
fine.
just got to get there. That's waypoint right now.
I got a Mosin too.
Okay.
Rift's doing the prone glitch. Rift, just stay
Yeah, I
doing the
know.
prone glitch. Just
Yeah.
stay doing it, dude. Basically, you're
oh.
constantly prone, even though you're
Yeah,
running.
you're
right?
running right
You're
now.
just
You look like a
sliding.
snake that just is sliding, dude.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm from Metal Gear Solid 5. I'm a snake.
There's a freaking helicopter crash down there. It would be really nice to watch over that, wouldn't it?
Yep.
Want me to scope it out from inside the cafe?
Ooh.
Don't check it out. You know it's already taken from.
Let's get up over here.
No, I'm going in the cafe. I want to scope it out from in there.
Okay, I'm gonna go up on this hill over here. Christian, who's coming? We should do two. Like, we should do groups of two, guys. Riff, are you coming with me? All right, Christian, stay at the
You on the
cafe.
hill? I'm at the hill.
Yeah, I'm right here, Riff. Riff's coming with me. Guys, you stick together. We're doing like groups of two, and we'll meet up and stuff like that. All right?
I can't remember.
Just so we
Ryan,
can
keep
get
checking
two
around
votes.
you, okay?
I am, dude. No grass is gonna make it. I'm dead. I'm unconscious, actually. I'm unconscious.
Oh my God, I
You can
just
save
got
me,
shot.
Riff. You can save me. Nope, I'm dead. Wow, dude. So all that time, you guys get lucky, and I die the first shot.
They're all there. They're all there. Come on, help me, guys.
We have to go. We have to go.
There's three of them. There's three of them. They shot me in the legs.
Dang it,
Here,
dude.
here,
Let's
here.
go. There's a lot more.
Riff, get inside the cafe, bro. Don't stay out there. Get in somewhere.
I shot one, killed one.
All right, I'm coming out. You're behind the wall, right?
Nope, I'm outside. I'm heading to the cafe. There's a whole bunch of them.
Christian, get back in that room then.
There's a lot of them. I killed one of them.
We have to sit. We have to do this.
Open the door.
Get in. Are you in?
Yeah, I'm dropping this freaking AK. It's useless.
Ish.
Can I shoot through the window?
Yeah, you can shoot through the window. Chandler's dead.
I can't. Yeah, he's dead. I know he's
Don't worry,
dead.
guys. I'm gonna make my way back there. Just keep PvPing it out. I'm gonna keep my mic muted. You guys got this. I trust you.
Okay.
Believe me,
Well, we're
guys.
gonna do what we can, and we're gonna try to get the gear off your body and stuff.
I'll be up in a little bit.
I see your body. They're not looting it.
All right, good. I'm gonna stay on these doors.
How many guys were there?
About 4.
5.
There was a lot. That's all.
Riff
I'm
said you
saying.
killed one.
I killed one. Yeah, I shot him. They were bandaging up. I think I don't know if I got 2.
There was more than 3 and 4 Rift. There was plenty. I looked over at the last second when I got knocked unconscious. There's a lot. You guys got this. I'm gonna keep my mic muted though, because I don't want to interrupt. Okay.
Am I bleeding? Wow, not bleeding. Thank God for health.
I wish I wasn't so healing.
Still haven't checked out your body.
Christian.
Hmm.
I'm thinking.
All I can say is don't worry, boys. We got a long day ahead of us. I'm gonna come back up there and I'm going for revenge on anyone I see. All right.
I was thinking. I can go up on the hill if I can get out of here.
No, don't go. Don't even go. Just don't. I don't.
Just wait.
No, Tyler, don't go. Don't leave the cafe.
I know. But once we have
Stay
like a
fortified,
clear
'cause
thing.
listen, I'm gonna give you guys info on that. They were posted for sure. They were definitely waiting for people to go through that field. That was a bad idea. You guys stay in the trees at most. I don't even think you should leave that building. Wait, let them come to you. They're impatient, I bet. Roger out.
Is someone down here watching around, or are you guys just hiding?
No, I'm watching.
Where's Mafia? Is probably hiding upstairs.
No, I'm watching from the stairs, door and window.
What the hell? My screen just went white like I've been shot.
Then back up.
They damaged a lot of my clothes.
Sorry, we just need to stay in here. Christian, what are you doing?
I'm looking out the back.
Okay.
Like, there's 3 windows in that small room, like the very small room. That's the room I'm in. Just cornered myself and I'm looking
You guys
out
have
all
eyes
the
on
windows.
Crime's body?
No, I don't even know where you guys went.
Oh, I see somebody.
Where at? Is anybody coming around to the front of the cafe?
Can I shoot through grass?
Yes, you can shoot through grass.
Sorry guys, but I have to do this. Hey man, you friendly? You friendly, dude?
You can shoot through.
Who just
Okay,
opened the door?
all right. Then I'll just leave you. I'll just leave you alone, man, because I gotta make it back somewhere quick. As long as you don't get in my way, you're good.
Fuck. Someone come down here with me.
What are you looking at, Rev?
The wall outside. I can see anything. I know one's pushing up on us.
Alright, I'm coming in.
Like, look at the walls. Look at the windows here.
Yeah?
Just keep watching. I saw, especially this one.
I
Get
can't
the-
do that because freaking... If somebody comes in, we're done.
What is Mafia doing?
I'm
There's
watching
a
our
helmet
ass
up here
end.
for you, man.
Christian, I'm closing your door, alright?
Okay.
Close your door. It gives me better vision anyway.
My screen keeps getting whiter and whiter.
Check your stats.
I'm doing fine.
Healthy still?
Move, 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 move. Move, swap, swap. Just like stay there and just cover.
Shh. Is that you,
Who's
Christian?
in the grass?
No,
Not
someone's
us, not
outside.
us. Shh, shh, shh.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Well, should have never been
He
there.
fucking sees us then, dude. They might be walling.
What do you mean I should have never been there, Riff? I was covering my position,
Shh, shh.
douchebag.
They're coming in. They're coming in. They're coming in.
I know.
They know where we're at, dude. Ah,
Back
kill
up.
him!
You got him, duck! Duck, duck, duck!
Got one. There's another one coming in.
Back up! Duck! Crouch!
I got it.
Where's he at? Are you in the other room where Christian was?
He's gonna shoot me through the wall. I'm up again. He's gonna try to come in. I have to reload my gun. I have to reload. Ref, he's trying to come in that other way.
Back up! Back up!
Fuck, fuck, fuck. Come on, come on, come on. I got my pistol out. I'm hit. I'm bleeding.
Gun! Fucking gun!
Back up, back up.
I'm gonna die.
Swap, swap.
I'm unconscious! I'm not.
I'm unconscious. I killed him.
You killed him? Okay, okay.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Dead?
Mm-hmm.
I'm unconscious. I have to bandage up.